The movie Shoot 'em Up looks like it's being shot down.
Well, the results of our movie parameter test are in, and the 2-second time is totally out.
43 seconds.
But the fire gets a lot hotter inside among the hot coals. I think we should do another test to find out if there's any place in this fire where we can get the bullet to go off in 2 seconds. And frankly, I predict we totally will.
So for test 2, Jamie stokes the fire.
Mommy, I don't like barbecues at Jamie's house.
Because this time they're baking the bullet deep among the coals. A temperature differential from test 1 of 800 degrees.
All right, sir, you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm going all the way in this time. Looking for the hot spot. Looking for something close to 2 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Those didn't sound like regular seconds. What
Well-
kind of seconds were you counting there?
I'm
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? What kind of seconds are those? Who counts like that? What was the time?
10 seconds.
10 seconds. I think we've definitively proven that there's no way a bullet is going to go off in that fire in 2 seconds flat.
Yeah.
I mean, it will go off, but not in 2 seconds.
Even exposed to the hottest heart of the fire, at temperatures no human hand could survive, the primer did not reach its flash point in anything like the time it took in the movie.
I think we could use a hand on this story.
But although one facet of this film fable is an obvious fiction, the guys aren't done yet.
Well, it's true that the timing of the hand in fire is busted. Nevertheless, I've got to find out whether bullets fired in that manner are both accurate and lethal. So to do that, I need a hand that I can heat up safely.
Yep, Dr. Franken Hahnemann is making a heat-resistant human hand.
Well, I got a good start with the grinder, but from here on in, it's mostly going to be blacksmithing.
One of the joys of doing this kind of work is first there was nothing, and then there was something.
That something being an adjustable, articulated hand able to realistically grip bullets between each finger. Detailed and disturbing work the doctor clearly enjoys.
I've left a texture that is not unlike the wrinkles in my finger, and where it kind of smooths out all over the knuckle, I've done that with a blob of weld. It's all very fast and crude, but it gives it a strangely organic look for it being all metal.
For added accuracy,
It fits like a, you know what.
a leather glove that grips like skin is heat molded onto the metal skeleton. And to gauge human-like strength,
Position number 1, between the thumb and index finger.
Adam sets a calibration benchmark with his own grip.
8.1 pounds. This force gauge here holds what's called a peak value. That is the most amount of weight that it took since you last pressed 0. Now, I will put the bullet on this string on the force gauge and hold it between 2 fingers as hard as I can until it lets go. Ah! Ow, ow. And then I read that value entered into this chart.
With the data handed over, Jamie mechanically matches Adam's grip strength to his metal digits.
A couple of minor adjustments, and I think we should be all set.
And this myth is all set to go off.
It's perfect.
But first, there's some unfinished business for our wall shooting hitmen.
Now that we've determined exactly how porous walls are and that bullets will most likely make it through them, it's time to deal with